Good morning. Happy Monday. Okay, are you ready to listen? Great. If you're ready, listen to me and eyes on the screen, okay? Again, listen to me and eyes on the screen. Our subject for today is let's learn about English. Let's begin. What makes sound? Do you hear sounds around you? Very good. Look at this. People make sound. People make sound. Look. What is that? Great. The girl is laughing. Can you say ha, ha, ha? Say it again. Ha, ha, ha. Very good. Next, what is this? Great. The girl is singing like la 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 la. Okay, great. Next, what about this? Okay, the kid is talking. She is saying hi, like teacher. Teacher is talking. What about this? The baby girl is crying like boo-hoo-hoo, boo-hoo-hoo. So sad. Next. Oh, clapping. Let's clap our hands together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Laughing, singing, talking, crying. People makes sound. Repeat after me. People makes sound. Laughing, singing, talking, crying, and laughing. Very good. Next. Animals make sound. What is this? Yes, that's a cat. What is the sound of a cat? Very good. It's meow, meow. Next. Oh, what is this? Birds. Great. What is the sounds of a bird? Let's say tweet, 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 tweet. Very good. What about this? Very good. This is a dog. What is the sounds of a dog? Arf, 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 arf. Very good. Look, things make sound. What are the things that make sound? Look at the picture. Oh, what is this? Phone. The phone says ring, 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 ring. What is this? A bell. What is the sounds of a bell? Say cling, 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 cling. Very good. What about this? Great. It's a car. What is the sounds of a car? Brum, brum, brum. Very good. Okay, do you want to play a game? Very good. So listen to me and eyes on the screen. Tell me the sounds of the following. Are you ready? If you are ready, can you please say, I'm ready, teacher? Great, let's begin. What is this? A bell. What is the sounds of a bell? Very good. The sounds of the bell is cling, 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 cling. What is this? Cat. What is the sounds of a cat? Say meow, meow. Wow, very good. Another one. What is this? Yes, a girl who is laughing. Can I hear you laugh? Ha 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 ha. Very good. Last. The baby is crying. Can I hear you cry? Boo hoo hoo. Boo hoo hoo. Very good. Good job, kids. Always remember that people make sound. Animals make sound. Things make sound, and we hear it with our ears. Thank you so much, kids, for today. I hope you've learned and understand our lesson in English. See you next time.